Hello everyone, welcome to another Monday.com video. Now in this video, I will show you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. So these two integrations are usually integrations that are really easy to make in Monday.com. So what you can do first is go to your profile here, and here you will have integrations, right? Now from here, you will see a lot of integrations that you can use in Monday.com. One of these integrations is Google Calendar. So click on Google Calendar. Here now what we can do is, as you can see, this integration connects Google Calendar with a specific board. So we need to choose a board that we want to be connected with. So let's say we want Getting Started board, right? Okay. Now what we can do is we can select automation, right? So when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. When a person is assigned to someone, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. When an event is created in Google Calendar, create an item and sync future changes from Google Calendar. So as you can see, this is, I think, probably the best. When an event is created in Google Calendar, create an item in Monday.com, right? And sync future changes from Google Calendar. So add to board. Now what we need to do is we need to connect our Google Calendar. So we click connect here. And obviously we will need to select our account. Let's select one of our accounts here. And what you can do is also tick these boxes and click continue. Now, once you click continue, we will successfully have our calendar connected to our board, which is Getting Started board right here, as you can see. Now that's pretty much it. That is how to integrate and connect Google Calendar with Monday.com. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.